art friends. Today we're doing something a little different. What are we folding?
Paper football.
Yeah. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. For this lesson, we just need an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So 8.5 inches by 11, or this for us is just regular printer paper. We're gonna turn our paper sideways, so it's this direction, and then we're gonna take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and then crease it down.
Hard to line up things.
Yeah, it's okay. You can take extra time, just line up the corners, and then press it down the middle. Yeah, there you go. And then you can fold it. Yes. I'm going to fold mine too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're going to repeat that step. We'll take this top edge, line it up one more time with the bottom, and then crease it, fold it down. Now we got this really long triangle shape.
Yeah, that's folded a lot.
Now we're going to fold it like a flag. We're going to take this bottom edge right here, this bottom corner, and we're going to fold it up like this and create a triangle. So we want to line it up with the top. So we're folding it diagonal, line it up so that it goes right to the corner, and then crease it down, fold
Like
it
this?
down. Yeah, we can even make that corner a little sharper too. Let's try and get it right on that corner. There we go. And then fold it down. I'll hold it.
Hurrah.
Yeah. This is going to get difficult because we're going to fold it so much that the folds are going to be thick.
So thick.
But now we're going to take right here, we're going to fold this going across here. So we're just going to fold it. And the top of the triangle should line up here. There you go. Line it up. Line it up with the edge. And then you got to do the...
Oh, even more.
That works. Okay. My fingers are getting sore. All right. Then we're going to fold across this diagonal line right here. So we can fold it down. I like putting my finger right here to kind of keep that corner. And then, yeah, now it's getting thick. You can also try to keep your paper in this position so that it lines up with mine. I'm going to help you, I think. This corner is getting a little thick over here, so we can get that a little tighter. I'm going to line it up and then press it, press it down. Sound effects. Okay, all right.
It sounds like you popped something.
Yeah, pop something. Pop my brain. All right, now we're going...
Or your finger.
Yeah, my finger is broken now. And now we're gonna, right here, we're gonna fold it straight across. So look, the bottom of that triangle lines up down here now.
Like this?
Yes. And then, yeah, there you go. Okay, we're gonna keep going until, we're gonna just repeat those folds until we get all the way over here. So we're gonna do it again. We can go a little quicker since we're just repeating the same steps, but you still want to make sure that it lines up. Otherwise, it's going to get kind of messy once we get over here. Yeah, let me see. Get it in there. Yep. There we go. Press it down.
No, now I can't do the anymore because it's so...
It's too difficult.
It's too difficult.
Okay, then we're going to do it again. We're going to, except this time, we're going to go, when it's straight like this, and we go straight, we're just going to fold it straight across. It should line up at the top. There you go. All right. Then we're going to do another diagonal fold. So let's see how it's diagonal right here. And we're going to fold it down. And then this is the kind of the last, almost the last fold. Yeah, it's super thick. Look how thick it is.
So thick.
It's not even, yeah,
Look at that.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard to even crease it or fold it. All right, now, because we got this little rectangle shape and it's even, the fold is, it's kind of not lined up anymore, but we're gonna take this, now on this side, when we get it this small, we're gonna fold it down so it makes another triangle on the other side. Yeah, and like there's a little, let me get that, there you go. Now try to get that point Yeah, so there's a point right there. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Now, this is the really cool part. Right here, inside is a pocket.
Ooh, pockets. I love pockets.
Yeah. So here, you can kind of squish it. You can squish it this way and it will open up. So it looks like you can put that, you're gonna fold it. Well, okay, before we do the pocket, let's back up. So it looks like this. We're going to fold it over once, just to make it folded, or to put a little crease there. This will make it easier.
And make sure it fits.
Yeah, it should look like it's gonna fit inside the pocket. So now we can unfold it. So it looks like this. Then we're gonna squish it so that the pocket opens up. There you go. And then this tucks inside. We're gonna tuck this flap into that pocket. And it's kind of challenging. If you need to, you could ask an adult or a parent, but I bet you can do it. Oh, you did it! Look, you didn't even need my... maybe you should have asked for help.
No, I'm okay.
You're okay? All right.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We'll find out later.
Yeah.
So there we go. We got it all tucked in, and then when you let go, it should stay folded.
Right.
There's your football. That's it. That's our paper football. Super simple. Oh, you could also decorate this. You could color it brown, like an actual football, and even put the threads or the strings, the texture that you could put on there so that it looks like a football. This just looks like a triangle, but you could design it so it really looks like, and do both sides so it looks like a real football.
Or you could put more triangles on it.
Yeah. That too. Now that we have it folded, we can play the game. And there's two ways that I think you can do this. You can do it. Our table is so slippery. So I could we need a sheet of paper to get it to stay up.
I got it.
There we go. Oh yeah, good. Yeah, it doesn't work. It's too slippery.
I'm gonna do it this side, even though it probably won't work.
Yeah. So you can hold it like this, but I also think that it's okay to hold it between two fingers like this, because then you can aim it, and you can aim it up, so it's a little easier to flick. Yeah. So then you hold it like this, and here we go. Ready?
Oh no.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna shoot it over there. Oh, let's shoot it at our art friends. All right, here we go. 1,
I can't.
3.
I know, do this.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, mine over there.
I didn't get any. I need to get it up higher.
Whoa!
We need lots of practice shooting these or kicking them. But yeah, but the other person, when you play it with another person, you could go like this and make goalposts. So you put this up. No. You try to shoot and then get it through.
Put it more down. I don't want to hit your face. No.
Yeah, no, put it right.
Yes.
Okay, try to shoot in between the goalposts. Oh, you missed it. It was like 2 inches away. Try again. You can do it. Oh, you missed.
I didn't.
All right, try again.
I didn't miss.
Closing my eyes so it doesn't shoot into my face. All right, then you do it, and then we're gonna try. All right. Yeah!
I think it went over.
It went through. I saw
The
it.
markers fell. We hope you had a lot of fun making these with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you have even more fun playing with them. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. All right, one last shot. See if you can hit the camera. Oh, that was close. Yours went sideways. Why did it go that way? You gotta work on that. Oh, it's so weak.